In this video, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Air Jordan 4 Fear with an in-depth review. Watch as I unbox this beauty, break down its design, and showcase stunning on-feet B-roll that highlights every detail. Plus, we're digging into the stock numbers to uncover just how rare these kicks really are. Now, I know you've seen plenty of reviews already, but I got a lot of stuff that other channels don't bring up, so make sure you watch the entire thing. And the box is straight up fire. You see the Flight Jumpman logo on the front, and also the quote, "I'm scared of what I won't become, you're scared of what I could become." And that's what they call Jordan 4 Fear, not because it's a Halloween sneaker, it's more of an inner strength type of thing, motivational thing, I guess. There's also that quote on the wrapping paper as well, and then you got these cardboard protections on the tongue. That's a good indication. It's actually a positive thing. More on that in a minute. But yeah, the packaging is dope. A little more than what we're usually accustomed to, but there's not much more to say. The color blocking on this pair is definitely unique and eye-catching. Started with the base, we got a clean white outsole with black accents. And instead of the classic Nike branding, this retro features the Jumpman logo, as it should. Moving up, the gray midsole serves as a nice transition between the white outsole and the visible air unit, which has a subtle red tint, by the way, though my camera didn't quite capture it accurately. The midsole is treated with splatter paint detailing, giving this sneaker a standout aesthetic. The entire shoe is made from genuine nubuck that not only looks premium, but feels amazing to the touch. I also love how the upper transitions seamlessly from dark gray to jet black, giving depth to the design. On the heel, you'll find the iconic Jumpman logo, while the flight patch on the tongue remains as bold and beautiful as ever. This pair features the updated Jordan 4 shape, offering improved comfort compared to the older models, and sizing true to size, so pick whatever you're used to. But yeah, the cardboard protection that I told you about that's on the tongue when you unbox this thing, it's because the nubuck is genuine, and you know, the inner lining is white, and if that rubs off, you know, the black can rub off against the white, and this is supposed to protect that from happening. So it's actually a good indication that the materials are premium. And now let's talk about my favorite thing, stock numbers. I appreciate that. I know a lot of you guys do that as well. So this bad boy was released on November 16th on the SNKRS app. Retail price is $215. The global stock of this sneaker is 125,000. So 125,000 is the total amount of pairs available out there in the world right now. And the stock number for the exclusive access that was 2 days earlier than the official release day, but 10,785 pairs were loaded on the SNKRS app in EU UK. So that's not the US stock for the EA or Asia. This is only EU UK. So almost 11,000 pairs. Now remember that number because the official release day, something happened. So on November 16th, on the official release day, 11,919 pairs were loaded on the SNKRS app. Now, the funny thing that I mentioned earlier is this number was supposed to be lower, but the exclusive access didn't sell out. I can't remember the last time that happened, but imagine that, like a Jordan 4 Fear. It's been, what, 11 years since the original released, and they have an exclusive access and it doesn't sell out. So that can mean two things: that people got invited and actually missed the invite somehow, they were busy with life or whatever, or they got invited and they said, nah, pass. So take a look at your size if you're wondering how many pairs were available that day. If you struck out or maybe you won, please comment in the sections where you're from, which size did you get? Let me know what you think. Is this a sneaker that you want in your collection? Did you pass? Let me know what you think, because I'm very careful when it comes to Jordan 4s, because most of the when it comes to old shapes, I don't find them comfortable, and I need to have my sneaker comfortable. But at the same time, a Jordan 4 is my favorite sneaker of all time. So, I got a lot of Jordan 4s that are not comfortable. I still have in my collection, but when the Jordan 4 is comfortable, like this one, it's a solid pick. I like this pair. Thank you for watching the entire video. As always, I'll see you on the next one.